Electricity once powered homes. Today, it powers mobility. Tomorrow, it will power entire intelligent ecosystems. Electric vehicles, renewable energy systems, smart grids, industrial automation, energy storage, and intelligent infrastructure are rapidly transforming the way the world works. As countries invest in cleaner energy and electrified technologies, the demand for engineers who can design, manage, and improve these systems continues to grow. This is where electrical and electronics engineering comes in. At KIET, students learn how electricity, electronics, automation, and emerging technologies work together to power modern industries and everyday life. The curriculum covers areas such as power systems, power electronics, electrical machines, control systems, embedded systems, electric vehicles, and renewable energy technologies. To support experiential learning, the department has established industry-backed facilities such as the e-mobility lab with L&T and the Power Engineering and Clean Energy Integration Lab with Tata Power, enabling students to work with technologies shaping the future of transportation, energy, and industry. Students regularly participate in projects, internships, technical competitions, and innovation activities that help them apply engineering concepts to practical challenges. The department has consistently maintained an outstanding placement record, achieving 100% placements for the past 6 consecutive years. For the academic session 2025-26, the average CTC secured by students is higher than the total 4-year academic fee, reflecting the strong career opportunities and outcomes offered by the program. With increasing demand for skilled electrical engineers across sectors such as power, energy, automation, manufacturing, and infrastructure, KIET students have secured opportunities with leading organizations Tata Consultancy Services, Accenture, Cognizant, JSW Group, Adani Group, Walmart, including Tata Power, and many more. Students have also represented the department at national and international innovation, research, and technology platforms, showcasing their technical skills, creativity, and ability to solve real-world problems. Electrical and electronics engineering is not just about understanding electricity, it is about building the technologies that power modern life. This is the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at KIET, deemed to be university